Others don't believe that Jesus is the only way to the Father, because Jesus said he's the way. So anyone that does not believe that Jesus is the source of salvation, that person is very wrong. And I can tell someone today that ukitembea mahali na mtu akwambie in any religion, any group or whatever, mtu akwambie that Jesus, that they don't believe that Jesus is the one that gave us salvation, run away. Because Jesus is the only way salvation.
You don't make Jesus to be Jesus by you accepting him. Umkubali, umkatae, yeye anabaki kuwa ye.
Anabaki kuwa yes.
Mungu aliexist hata kabla wewe upate idea of salvation.
Yeah.
Hata kabla wewe ujue kuna kitu inaitwa Christianity. God existed. So ni nini kinachotufanya tupate hii salvation?
Salvation, like we say that salvation is a gift.
Yeah.
That means a gift is not something that you are entitled to. It's not something that is guaranteed.
Yeah.
Yani umepewa tu because God loves us. Na yeye mwenyewe alijitoa akakuja. So kitu